Hello there, science class, and this is for all my science students because this is scientific investigation. The use of formulas and the use of the metric system. Okay, and so let's just take a look at what I want to do is I want to kind of walk through a little bit of how to calculate some of the area of these different rectangles. And there's a box right there, so we're going to talk a little bit about that also. So the first one, okay, and I want to calculate all these I want to do these in centimeters. Okay, so first I have to write down the formula. The formula in this case is what area is equal to length times width. Okay, but these are in meters. Okay, so I want to convert it to centimeters. Because there is 100 centimeters in every meter, the width in this case, 0.75 meters, I can make 75 centimeters. Okay, and then a half a meter, okay, would be 50 centimeters. Half of 100. So 75 times 50, and that would be centimeters squared. Okay, here we do the same thing. Okay, now the height is in centimeters already, don't have to convert that. And then here is the 150 millimeters. Well, we got to convert the millimeters into centimeters. And in this case you divide by 10 because there are 10 millimeters for every 1 centimeter. So it would be 21, okay, the height times the width, and 150 millimeters will translate into 15 centimeters. So 21 times 15 equals what? Centimeters squared. Here's another one, 320 millimeters and a half a meter. Well, 320 millimeters, we divide that by 2, so that's 32, divide that by 10, because there's 10 millimeters for every 1 centimeter. So 320 divided by 10 is 32. And then a half a meter in centimeters is 50. So 32 times 50 would give us the right answer. Okay, and then I'm going to let you go ahead and calculate the rest of these. Okay, and centimeters, millimeters. Okay, and you can see that we have 4, 5, 6, and so here we have okay, a box. In this case, the total volume, which would be V instead of area, the volume is equal to the length times the width times the height. And the height is 65 centimeters. That's already in centimeters. Okay, the length is 1.5 meters. Going to convert that. Well, we know that 1 meter in centimeters is 100, so another half is 150. And then here's 320 millimeters. We know that if we divide that by 10, because there's 10 millimeters for every 1 centimeter, so that's 32. So the volume in this case would be 32 times 75, times 150 times 65. So get that done, and that's extra credit for you. So I hope this helps in terms of you understanding the whole concept of the centimeters to millimeters to meters, and work on that, because so much of what we get is made outside of the United States, and they use the metric system. Okay, see ya, bye.